Hello students, today we will do RR subject story 8. Be careful when kind. Value of this story is we must learn to be safe. The safety of children is the biggest concern that parents have when their children are young. Children have great curiosity. They are compassionate and enthusiastic. They also understand that there are rules and that norms are to be followed. This lesson aims at empowering children to overcome and get rid of their fears by being cautious. Let's see an example. Two children are sitting atop of a tree. Their parents arrive at the scene and try to ensure that they do not get hurt. One parent yells, "Hold on tight." The other parent yells, "Don't let go, you will fall." Only one child fell off the tree, the one who received the negative instruction. The child who did not fall knew exactly what to do. The other child's mind was burdened with thinking about what he should do if he should not let go. It aims at guarding children against common dangers such as feeding stray animals, playing with electricity, and other safety issues that they face in day-to-day life. Here is a story of a little girl, Ria. Ria is a very kind girl. Ria always used to feed all the animals in her neighborhood. She had a bird bath on her balcony and a bowl of grains beside it. Ria regularly gave bread to the stray dogs in the colony. One day, a monkey came visiting and Ria held out a banana to it. As monkey grabbed the banana and scratched Ria's arm, her arm became red and got infected. Ria had to get the wound dressed and take an injection. Ria thought it was mean of the monkey to repay her kindness with cruelty. When Ria told the doctor what had happened with her, doctor praised her love of animals and gave Ria a good advice that people give injections to their pet animals so that they remain healthy. Though our dogs and cats carry germs, we wash and groom them regularly. Stray animals are not given any protection from diseases, so stray animals prove to be dangerous. Wild animals are not used to human beings. When you get close to them, they think that you will harm or attack them. So, treat stray animals with respect, keeping your distance until they get to know you. So students, what did you learn from this lesson? We learned from this lesson that be kind but always careful. Value gems. Do not touch or disturb an injured, sick or sleeping animal. Do not approach an animal that is eating. Do not run past an animal or away from it if it chases you. Do not disturb animal homes such as beehives, anthills and nests. Remember, wild animals are not pets. Do not feed animals in zoos or stand close to their enclosures. Thank you.